Local kids got their hands dirty ahead of a big performance. Keep Jackson Beautiful collaborated with the Children's Theater Company to highlight the upcoming show that the CTC is doing this weekend. Hosted at the Ned, the CTC will have a full musical showcase featuring highlights of the Lorax and Rescue Me, a musical history of women. The performances have themes of women's history, plus environmentalism and conservationism. The ties into the mission of Keep Jackson Beautiful, which is to change people's attitudes of being good stewards of the land, not littering, and improving the environment. Today, the children were able to clean up the garden of ComeUnity Cafe and get it ready for spring harvesting.
That's one good thing about this group being here is today we're right next door to the performance venue, and this group is showing some amazing love to an area that needs just a little bit of care.
We call it Kids with a Cause. What is the cause? Not just to put on a show and be wonderful and talented, but to really speak to the conscience of our community and let them physicalize what they're learning, not just memorize what they're learning.
Today, the Gamma Alpha Omega chapter of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated also presented a check to the Children's Theater Company. Every year, the sorority gives a $1,000 contribution to a community partner, and the chapter members voted to give it to CTC this year. President of the sorority chapter, Monique Merriweather, says the sorority is all about family, the arts, and empowering the youth, so the theater company was the perfect recipient.
We love what CTC does for our community and with our youth, and we're just excited that they're here to be with us in Tennessee.
The CTC Full Musical Showcase will be tomorrow, March 30th at the Ned from 6:30 to 8 in the evening.